Good morning, friends. This is Sanjeev here. We have come up with a preview of Q1 FY14 on power sector. We expect power generation to be a healthy number, and likely to improvement both in YOY and QOQ basis. We expect to generate around 241 billion units in this quarter. Thermal power is likely to be hover somewhere around 70% PLF. Energy deficit could be around 7% in this quarter. In our coverage companies, we expect CESC to sell energy around 2,444 million units. That's a growth of a flat YOY basis, but 35% growth on a sequential basis. Top line we expect to be around 1506 crore and PAT of around 133 crore. PTC India, we expect to report a sales growth of 21% YOY basis and 9% sequential to 2,406 crore. Net profit estimate around 35.7 crore, reflecting a 56% growth YOY basis. On the non-rated companies, NTPC, we expect revenue to be around 16,005 crore, which is a flat YOY basis, and PAT we estimate around 2,461 crore, which is again a flattish kind of growth. Power Grid, as again a non-rated company, sales are expected to report a growth of 17% YOY basis and a flat growth sequential to 3,367 crore. Net profit we estimate around 1,000 crore, showing a 15% growth YOY basis. Looking at the outlook of this sector, we believe that there are a lot of hurdles before the companies. However, one positive thing in this quarter that has happened is much needed policy actions, especially from the government side, took at a appreciable pace, which kindles hope. During this quarter, government took some positive steps, which positively taken at a quite good pace, which indicate the intentions were to clear the hurdles before these companies and intention to ensure faster execution of these projects. Like government cleared around 13 projects, entailing a total investment of 33,000 crore, which will ensure a positive investment environment for this sector. Coal pooling was not approved by government, but at the same time, government allowed for a pass-through of coal import cost. At the same time, gas price revision is a negative in the first instance. It's a negative because the input cost of these gas-based power companies will go up. But at the same time, government also indicated that the pricing could be tweaked for power sector in a favorable scenario. Finally, a coal regulator is also being set up, and probably this will help to more transparency in the coal space. Major SEBs are also come forward for their debt recasting plan. So this could be again improve the liquidity scenario of the distribution side. So in a broad sense, we believe that numbers will remain decent, and better to be selective on this space. Power Grid will continue to do well because of the capacity they have added, and it's a safe business. At the same time, we like CESC because of its consistent growth, and we believe this quarter also will have a decent number from PTC as well as CESC. Thanks.